Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect FXCM with NinjaTrader. So connecting your FXCM account to NinjaTrader, it's extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to open an account or a trading account on FXCM. Now, your login credentials for FXCM and the account or the trading account is going to be different. So just make sure to open up a trading account first on your FXCM dashboard, and from there we are ready to head over to NinjaTrader. Inside the application, click on Connections, Configure, and from here you have to simply look for the NinjaTrader FXCM option. Now this is going to be the available connections right here. Double click on it to configure this specific connection and it will be taken to the configured section. Inside, you then have to enter the username that you got from your FXCM account, the password, and finally you want to click on apply. You can also edit out some modifiers like if you want the demo to be enabled and if you want to connect on system startup. So after clicking on the apply button, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.